This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling the core services that Nearby Share needs. On your HP laptop, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You need both active. Next, open Settings, go to System and select Nearby Share, then enable the feature. Choose Visibility, everyone if you're in a public trusted space, or Contacts to restrict transfers. Once done, confirm device name and storage permission so your laptop can receive files immediately without extra prompts. Now you'll actually send a file. In File Explorer, right-click the item, choose Share, then pick Nearby Share from the list of apps. Your laptop will scan for nearby devices. When the target appears, tap it to initiate. The receiving device will show a prompt. Make sure both devices stay unlocked and awake while transferring. If sending multiple items, group them into a zip or folder first for faster handling, and monitor transfer progress in the notification area until it completes. Finish by locating the received file in Downloads or your selected save folder. Verify it opens correctly. If the transfer stalls or fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then turn Nearby Share off and on. These quick resets clear common handshake errors. If problems persist, restart both devices and temporarily set visibility to everyone to isolate a contacts or permission issue. One key tip: ensure both devices use compatible OS versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.